Yeah, so here I'm just replacing some old fuel injector wires. So this got kind of like melted / chewed up by the rats. Same thing happened here with this pressure sensor. I'm just gonna splice the wires and see if I can make my engine work better, because it sounded pretty rough, and I think that had something to do with the fuel injection being all wonky. So you strip the wires. Well, first off, make sure you're gonna look at this and find out which goes where. So the red's gonna go there and the black's gonna go there. Okay, cool. Like on here, red's there, black there, that's the same. So we're gonna put red to red, black to black. Okay. These are 16 gauge or 18 gauge. So you're just gonna basically splice, and I'm not sure what these are. Probably whatever it is to get the stuff on, maybe 10, I don't know. But anyway, just get the insulation off, put them together. Should be fine. So I got a couple of these things. Just gonna, well, you got their wires stripped there. You're just gonna put these on. And then you're gonna crimp them. So there's that one. See if I can crimp while I'm doing this thing. And then and then on here, so these are 22 to 18 crimps. So that's what I'm going to use to crimp. You're going to put the wire in there in this little socket and right there, and I'll just go crimp them, since I don't think you can do both these things at the same time. We're just going to do that on both sides pretty much. Kind of in the metal part. You can also crimp the plastic part, kind of holds the insulation on. So we're going to do both.